Today we're going to show you how to install BMW OEM floating center caps on a G20 M340i. Hey, this is Bryan. Thanks for watching Kies Motorsports. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and check us out at KiesMotorsports.com. Today's mod is a super subtle mod, but it looks really good. Why is that? Well, no matter how your wheel ends, your center caps are always going to be facing up. So as you're driving, they're gonna float along and look like they're just remaining still. And when you're parking and you're taking pictures of your car, the BMW emblem is always in the perfect orientation. And they're super simple to install, and today we're gonna show you how to do it on the G20 M340i. So if you haven't seen, the way that these work is basically it has this little weight, so as you're driving, it's going to keep everything pretty much leveled. So it's pretty cool because it looks like the BMW emblem isn't moving, but your car is. So anyway, it's kind of nerdy, but it's kind of cool. So to do it, all we need to do is we just need to pull the wheels off. Some guys have gotten like a screwdriver and whatnot. Don't do that, take your wheels off. We're gonna show you on the lift over here, but you don't need a lift. All you need to do is basically get a jack and a jack stand, just jack each one up, take the wheels off, pop it out from the inside, and then pop in the new one. So with that, we're gonna head over to the lift. We already have the car up in the air a little bit. We're gonna pull off a wheel and I'll show you what to do. Okay, so for this part of the process, like I said before, you don't need a lift. You can do it with jack and jack stands. You do wanna use some kind of protective lug nut socket. This is a 17 mil with a protective sleeve. This is a Kies one if you want one. We have down in the description. But basically, we're just gonna take the wheels off. Then all you need to do is just pop out the old one. That's really how easy it pops out. Spin this around, take this, doesn't matter which way you put it in, because it's gonna self-level, and that's it. So it's cool because when you're driving, that's what it does, it just stays level. All right, that was exhausting. I'm gonna go put this back on now. So one thing that Zach and I noticed is that this was super easy to pull off. A lot of them will have a ring on the inside, a metal ring, just to make sure that it doesn't go anywhere. So I had an idea and we're gonna try it out. So I'm going to take a piece of mounting tape. We're just gonna cut it. We're going to connect the ends. And then let's see. I'm gonna kind of make it like a T, like that. And I'm gonna see if we can stick it to the OEM center cap and just rip it off. Just kind of, basically, I was trying to do this like start stop button style. So let's see if it works. I'm confident this is gonna work, so I'm gonna grab one of these. All right, let's go check it out. So I'm just wiping off the brake dust. Oh, this is totally gonna work. Yes! We don't even have to take the wheels off. Perfect. All right, let's see if we can keep using this piece of tape. Wait, we have to thoroughly clean it. Oh, this is so easy. I should have grabbed the other ones. All right. So to alter our video, you don't even need to take the wheels off. Just get a little piece of 3M tape. Let's see if we can go for a third time. Sorry, we just got a shipment of carbon. We have 8 big containers. We have to go through that and a million boxes. And more racks. All right, third time's the charm. Let's see if we can get it. Oh, piece of cake. All right, so now I'm just gonna go install them. But like I said, a little piece of 3M tape, it doesn't damage them either. Just make a little T. We'll have to try this when we do the F30 ones, because actually here's one right here. Here's my F80 one. Yes! Oh, this one doesn't have the ring either. All right. Yeah, 3M, don't take your wheels off. Just disregard the whole first part of the video. But anyway, I'm Bryan. Thanks for watching today's video. If you like it, give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe. Check us out at KiesMotorsports.com. And if you are looking for floating center caps for your BMW, be sure to see the links down in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.